million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me stay out in the sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.
Hey boo, hey, I'm back with some human hair drill from my good friends over there at YGwigs. Y'all know I absolutely love them. Some of my most favorite human hair wigs have come from them. I'm not sure what's in here, but you know we're gonna see all that together because I like to do stuff with y'all. Other than the wig itself, they included a little goodie pack with the clips, the headband, the edge brush, and some wig caps. So that's always a plus. This is what y'all came for. So let's see what's in here. This is why I love them. Everything always so well put together. I'm reading directly off this sticker, but remember I'm gonna put this down in the description box, as well as my coupon code that you'll see there. This is a 13x6 lace front wig. It is a pixie cut bob, 150 density, and a natural color. So this wig is how I would want my hair in real life. I know exactly how this is going to look. This is one of my favorite styles to actually do. So it's a curly little pixie. Cap construction, you know how I go. Comb in the back, adjustable straps. And then in the front, you get that 13x6 parting space, comb and comb. Okay, before I cut off this lace, I'm gonna just put it on my head to show you how it looks. And then I am going to apply it. Yeah, this is one of my, I know I look crazy right now, but this is one of my most favorite looks. And this is going to be bomb. There's that hairline up close. And because it's a 13x6, you don't have to wear it over here. You could do some razzle-dazzle over there. You can do all types of stuff. All right, let's cut off this lace. I'm gonna play around with this unit and then I'll be right back with my final thoughts. Y'all, I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig. I could have put some powder there, but that don't matter. This wig is so gorgeous. It is perfect for summer. I think it's so flattering, but this is like right up my alley. If I actually grew my hair out and I stopped being bald, you know, only got like 3 strands of hair, this is what I would want my hair to look like. And the fact that I can get this in a wig is bomb.com. Let me give you 360 because I'm not sure if I did that. This is her straight on. This is her to the left, to the right, and in the back. And there's the hairline again up close. She's a bop. She's a winter chicken dinner, especially with it being as hot as it is. This wig is perfect as a throw on and go. All I did was spray water on it, and this is what we got. This is, in my opinion, perfection when it comes to a wig. But we usually get that, not usually, we always get that, honestly, when we work with YGwigs because they have some amazing, amazing, amazing hair. Like I said, if you look in that description box, you'll see a direct link to this wig, the details on this wig. You'll see a coupon code. Make sure that you use it if you're looking for a curly little summer pixie. I'm trying to figure out if I want to wear this on vacation because this is easy, right? So, I don't know, I figured out. But I definitely recommend this one, y'all. Like I always say, you might not even be into wigs. Maybe it's your Auntie Paulette. It could be your Uncle Paul, whichever one, send them my way. Me and YGwigs will get them right. This is so cute. What is that on me? Oh, it's lit. We will get them right. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye.